Please use an 8mm socket wrench to remove the two securing nuts here. Disconnect the tail light wiring from the ESC. Flip the skateboard over and open the motor wire retention clip. Use a 1/8-inch hex wrench to remove the 4 securing screws here. And remember to support the truck with your hand. Use a 2.5mm hex wrench to remove the 2 screws on the tail light. Place the tail light wire in the groove and make sure it won't get pinched when reinstalling.